I'm in Yardie's kitchen. Welcome to Yardie's kitchen, and I have this unusual fruit that I am gonna try. I think I may have had it one time before, but I'm gonna try it now for officially the first time. This is a persimmon. Yes, a persimmon. And to be honest with you, it is a weird fruit. It is considered to be a berry. Let me see if I can give some information based on what I read. It is from the persimmon tree, which is a type of ebony tree, lumber tree where them use make lumber. And this particular one, these are what is called hiachi. Yeah, hachia. Yes, sorry, you know me already. It is called hachia persimmon, and you also have the fuyu. These are generally found in Japan, right? And with the hachia, it is better to eat it when it is almost overripe. That's the best time to have it. The fuyu can be had anytime because what I've heard is that it is not as stringy as the other one, are not stringy, starchy. But this one is quite starchy when it is not ripe. All right, and I have had these now for about 4 or 5 days, and it's quite mushy to me. So I'm gonna try bust it open and make you see what is inside of it, how it look and all of that, and then I'm gonna taste it and make you get a review, you know, right quick. Because I know us in Jamaica, well, I don't know if persimmon is a regular thing in Jamaica, because I never see it before. When I come and find me see it. So I have to try some new thing, yeah? And it grow like this way on the tree. And when it is green, it's difficult to pick off of the leaf, off of the tree branch. But once it ripe, you just pick it off, you know? And this is it come like this come like a tomato type of look. It wanna look like a tomato still. So yeah, this is the persimmon. I'm gonna cut it open and make you see how inside I look. Okay, so I've washed and peeled, wash my persimmon, and I'm just gonna cut open. Alright, now I'm not gonna go all the way down. I'm trying to focus this camera. Sorry for that, folks. Trying to focus the camera. And yeah, it's me doing both. And then you basically open it. Alright, let me see if I can use my skill to get this thing done right. Alright, I'll try to do both, attach camera and everything, and see if I can get a good thing going right here. So okay, so back to my conversation now. So what I'm gonna try to do now is open it, right? And you notice I didn't cut right through. Yeah, I'm gonna just peel off that piece there, and then pretty much remove this. See that? See that? And then if you look in the inside, let me show you the inside. You know, that's how it is. Yeah, it have a nice flesh on the inside here. And we just go down. Yeah. And I don't know if this middle piece here, if you want to remove what is almost like, well, it's not really a pit, but you know, notice it a little bit different color from the other side. So yep, if you want to pull off that, and then you pretty much open it like a peg, like a orange peg type of thing, and the flesh is almost the consistency of a mango. Yeah. I'll try that piece here. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Guys. Wow. Jamaicans. Oh, wow. If you have not yet tried a persimmon, I would recommend it immediately. And you know, so I go scrape off this, right? I try to get off all of the flesh off of the skin. Alright, the first thing that hits me is that it's extremely sweet. Okay, there's a hint of starchiness. But because it is well ripe, I understand now that if you have it before it reached the proper ripeness. My phone dropped. If you have it before it reached the proper ripeness, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna be bombarded by extreme starch. Yeah. Wow. But once it ripe, folks, nice, man. Excuse me for eating while talking, but I'm telling you, it is so good. Let me show you. See what left back? See? And that my left back. It is so good. Alright, let me tell you what it reminds me of. The starchiness, for my Jamaican folks especially. Star apple. You know the star apple? Let them say you mean like star apple, alright. You know that level of starchiness that comes after, you know, comes back at you when you bite into a star apple. That's what it reminds me of. But however, I get the understanding that if you allow it to ripe properly, I mean almost to the point like it won't overripe, you won't get that kickback of starchiness. You know, it is and it has a little bit of like almost like a astringent type of vibe going on in the back of my mouth now. Yeah. Oh, that is part of this little membrane here that I was telling you about, this little thing here. But it is so sweet. So this is my first. I think what I'll do with this one is that I'll make this one ripe even more so, because this is a little bit more firmer than the first one. So this is my first experience with a persimmon and the Hachia. Yeah, Hachia version. As I said, the Fuji version or Fuyu version is a little bit rounder, flatter, almost like a salad tomato. But this one is more oblong, almost like a acorn shape. I am going to finish this right now. I'm gonna try to put it, you know, peel it and clean it and make it look nice, and then I don't know, just name it. Me just gonna name it right now. It is very good, folks. If you have not tried it, go ahead, try it. Go into the supermarket and pick up a persimmon. Put it down in the house, make it ripe, and ripe till it almost like it won't get withered. The skin has to not be so springy. It has to start look like when mango overripe. And then you can try it. Very, very good. Yardie belly, inner, foreign. Well, I couldn't help it. Maybe I have to finish up this something make it look nice. So me just dress it up with some grapes. Right there, so. Yeah. If you just show another end result. And definitely you're going to need the grapes. Especially if you eat it at the stage of my one day. Because you can feel, you can taste that starchiness at the back of your throat. And I realize now that you have to eat it when it is fully ripe, especially this one, the Hachia version of the persimmon, right? The Hachia version. If I could get the Fuyu version or the other one, I would definitely go with that one because that one can be eaten even when it is firm. But this one, however, the kickback is this. Even though it is starchy, it is extremely sweet. It is just like having a mango. You know them sweet, nice Julie mango? I saw it nice. So, you know, and then it has a low protein you know, index, but at the same time, it balances out all the protein in your body. It has good health benefits, and plus, whole heap of other benefits where me and you don't know, you know, because of natural food, this and stuff. But yes, persimmon, me look a grape and me look a stuff. Hey, Yardie belly in a foreign. Remember, like, share, subscribe. If you have a weird food out there where you know Jamaican people not gonna like or not used to, tell me about it. Remember, go find it and make the people them experience it from a straight 100% Jamaican standpoint. Alright? Yardie belly in a foreign.